For as long as humans have walked the earth, we've looked up. The night sky is our oldest classroom, our first cathedral, a mystery still unfolding.
The light from the stars takes an almost inconceivable amount of time to reach your eye, traveling at the speed of light, which is almost inconceivably fast.
At Indiana University Astronomy, that wonder becomes action. Students don't just study the stars, they reach for them, analyze them, and discover them.
It was the idea that there was something beyond that big blue sky. Instead of making me feel small, it made me feel big, and I could go learn about what is out there.
But opportunity requires access. $1,000 can be the difference between watching discovery happen and making it happen.
It's one of the most fulfilling endeavors to know that we're supporting something so groundbreaking.
A scholarship fuels a student's first giant leap into a lifetime of exploration.
I'm from a little small town in Indiana studying astronomy and astrophysics and mathematics.
IU Astronomy is unique. Undergraduates gain early access to real telescopes and supercomputing power, engaging in projects that rival graduate work elsewhere.
A student of astronomy may get involved with a project that comes up with a discovery. People do it all the time.
They handle the fire hose of new cosmic data, synthesize weak signals into clear answers, and bring those skills back to Earth in technology, education, and leadership.
I was the kid who benefited from funding for science programs. That is what fueled me to do what I want to do today.
When you invest in an IU astronomy student, you invest in the future of science and society. Together, we can transform curiosity into capability, and capability into a lifetime of impact.
It is really an extraordinary developer of great human beings.
They become teachers, they become entrepreneurs, they become engineers who contribute to society in so many ways.
Join us. Adopt an aspiring astronomer. Help a student take their first step into the infinite.